Hello and welcome to Educational Wisdom YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve English language questions of 5th Scholarship Exam 2021. Remember, this is only for English medium students. So, let's begin. Instructions for question number 1, 2 and 3. Read the autobiography and answer the questions selecting the correct option. An autobiography is given here. We have to read this and solve question number 1 to 3, and they are based on this paragraph, on this autobiography. So I will not waste time in reading this passage. I suggest you to pause the video and read it before solving the questions. Question is, complete choosing the correct option. The lines above are from an autobiography of a dash. Wind, fish, book, river. Whose autobiography is this? If you read this passage carefully, you will find it easily, because it tells us, I give shelter to the fishes and aquatic animals. Means fishes and aquatic animals live in that thing. I give company to innocent boatmen. I give company to them, to the boatmen. Where do the boatmen travel? They travel in river. So, this is an autobiography of a river. Option number 4 is the answer of this question. Question 2. Which of the sentences below cannot be added to this autobiography? I keep moving. Does the river keep moving? Yes, it moves. I give shelter to the fishes and aquatic animals. Yes, it is written in the autobiography. I fly in the sky above the earth. Does the river fly above the earth? No. That means this sentence cannot be added to that autobiography of a river. Option number 3 is the answer of this question. Question 3. Whom does the river give company to? It is very simple. The sentence is given here. I give company to the innocent boatmen. Where is this in the option? Option number 3. Let's move forward. Question number 4. Identify the correct cardinal number for 33. The number is given in words and we have to find what is the cardinal number for 33. It is very simple. Option number 1. Remember, there may be a question on ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? They are first, second, third, etc. Next question. Choose the correct suffix for manage. What do you mean by suffix? Suffix is a part of the word or some letters used at the end of a word to make a new meaningful word. A part or some letters used at the end of the word to make new meaningful word. That is called as suffix. So, manage is a word. We have to add one part or some letters to make a new meaningful word. Dismanagement, some letters are added before the word, so this cannot be the answer. Management, manage is a word and meant is added as a suffix, and this is a meaningful word. So, option number 1 is the answer of this question. Let us see some other options also. Meaningless is not correct one. Unmanaged, here also prefix is added. Option number 2 is the answer. Find the word opposite in meaning to the word given. Given word is bless. What do you mean by bless? Something given by the God. Some good thing given by the God. So, what is the opposite of it? Opposite is curse. Option number 1 is the answer. Question 7. Choose the pair which does not indicate the related word. Some pairs of words are given and they are related with each other. We have to find out which word does not relate with the other option. Cricket bat, yes, bat is used in the cricket. It is related. Archery and bow, it is very simple. It is also correct. Hockey bells, no, this is not the correct pair. Badminton racket, it is also correct. Hockey bells, bells are used in cricket and in hockey we use hockey stick. So option number 3 is the answer. Question 8. Pick out correct alternative from the given alternatives in place of a question mark. In this type of question, we must see what is written in the center. It is written study. And what are the other words? Homework, assignment, activities. These words are related with study. So here also there will be a word which is related to study. Office work, no. Meeting with manager, is it related with study? No. Editorial, no. Examination, yes, examination is very much related with study. Answer will be option number 4. Question 9. Fill in the blank with the suitable collective noun. He went into the field and saw a dash of cattle, a group of cattle. You must know what is the group of cattle. What is the group of cattle? What is the word used for the group of cattle? It is very simple. Herd is used for the group of cattle. Option number 1 is the answer. Flock is used for the group of birds. And find out what is troop and what is pride. Option number 10. Which road sign does not match its description? This sign of telephone, public telephone, yes, correct. First aid post is also correct. Petrol pump is also correct. Railway crossing, no, this is not the railway crossing. This is about the taking left turn. So, or go to the left sign. Option number 3 is correct answer. Instructions for question number 11 to 13. Read the passage carefully and choose the correct answers from the options given. There is a paragraph about Taj Mahal and 3 questions will follow. 3 questions will be there based on this paragraph. I will not waste time. You pause the video and read the paragraph. I have already read it. Question 11 is, the Taj Mahal was built by dash. Built by whom? It is general knowledge question, but we have to find out the answer in the passage. Emperor Shah Jahan, the grandson of Akbar, built the Taj. So Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. It is written in option number 4. Next question on the same paragraph. The Taj Mahal stands on dash. This Taj Mahal stands on. We have to find out where is it written in the paragraph. The building stands on a large quadrangle platform. Quadrangle platform. Option number 2. Move on to the next question. Shah Jahan was the dash. Shah Jahan was the grandson of Akbar. It is written in option number 2. Move forward. Find the number of pronouns in the following sentence. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of noun. They are 7 in number. These are the subjective pronouns, and there are objective pronouns also. There are reflexive pronouns also. So we have to find how many pronouns are used in this sentence. I is a pronoun. Them is the pronoun. It is sorry for that, objective pronoun of they. They is also a pronoun. Me is objective pronoun of I. So there are 4 pronouns in the sentence. It is written in option number 4. Insert the appropriate preposition. What do you mean by preposition? It is a part of speech, and if you want to know more about preposition, and if you want to learn everything about preposition, I have already made a video on that. A link will be provided in the description box. Go and click that link after the video. You will find everything about preposition. Now move on to the question. They are monstrous beasts, dash bodies like bears and heads like tigers. They are beasts. They have bodies like bears and heads like tigers. So they have bodies. We have to find out the preposition which has the meaning which suggests monsters had the bodies like bears. It is presented, or it is suggested by the preposition with. Add this with here and read the sentence, you will understand it better. They are monstrous beasts with bodies like bears and heads like tigers. Option number 2 is the answer of this question. Question 16. Identify the correct option for the words given in the brackets to fill in the blank. Rose is one of the dash flowers in the garden. Options are beautiful, most beautiful, more beautiful, beauty. These three options are the forms of adjectives. There are three forms of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. Which form will be used in this sentence? It is very simple. Look at these words. One of the. These words are used before a superlative form of an adjective. So there will be superlative form in the blank. Where is it in the options? Option number 2, most beautiful. Next is, what punctuation mark will you put at the end of the sentence below? What is the sentence? They showered arrows on the soldiers of Athens, didn't they? This didn't they is a question tag. We use question mark at the end of a question tag. So there will be question mark. It is written in option number 3. Which one is not a compound word? What is compound word? Compound word is a new word made by combining two separate words, two meaningful words. If we combine two meaningful words, a new meaningful word is made, and that meaningful word is called compound word. Spoon, it is a single word, so this is not a compound word. Doorstep, door is a word, step is a word, so this is compound word. Airport, these two separate words are combined, so this is compound word. Birthday, it is also compound word. So which is not a compound word? Spoon. Option number 1 is the answer. Question 19. Instructions for question number 19 and 20. Read the letter and answer the questions below, selecting from the alternatives. You pause the video and read it. I have already read it. What should be there below the sender's address? Where is sender's address? It is here. What should be there? What should be used here? Address is given, name of the city is given, and at the end there should be a date. Option number 3. Question 20. What must be written in the blank space above XYZ? XYZ is here. Above it there will be yours lovingly, yours truly, yours obediently. If you read this letter, you will find out that this is written to a friend. So at the end the words used will be yours lovingly. One other thing tells us that there will be option number 4, that is yours. This apostrophe is not used when you use the word yours lovingly, truly or obediently. It is apostrophe is used in all the 3 options. Only option number 4 doesn't have this, so option number 4 will be the answer. Instructions for question number 21 and 22. Read the poem well and answer the questions choosing the correct option. Sleep, sleep my treasure. I have already read it. You read it by pausing the video. Who is the speaker in the poem? It is very simple. Sleep, sleep my treasure, the long day's pleasure. All these things are told by mother to her baby to sleep. She is telling the baby to sleep. So option number 2 is the answer. Question 22. What time is being described in the poem? The mother is telling the baby to sleep. When does she tell it? At the night. Option number 3. It is very simple. Question 3. How many articles are there in the given sentence? What are articles? Articles are a and the. A and the. How many times these 3 words or one of these 3 words is used in the sentence? The, a. 2 times. But there is a catch. When students mark the answer in the answer sheet, they are in a hurry. So in hurry, they mark option number 2. Option number 2 is not the right answer here. Our answer is number 2. Where is it written? It is written in option number 4. Our answer will be option number 4. Remember this. Find the correct WH question to get the underlined part as an answer. Mary went to America. We have to find the WH word for this word America. America is the name of a place. So the WH word or question word will be where. Where is where written? It is only in option number 1. So no need to see what is written after where. Option number 1 will be the answer. Last question of this video. Study the diagram and answer the questions choosing from the options. What is the percentage of children who like swimming? Swimming is written here. The percentage of the students who like swimming is 10%. It is written in option number 3. This is the answer. So this was the video. I think this is helping you in your studies. I request you to like this video and share it with your friends so that they will also get benefit of this video. Okay, goodbye.